Citizens currently staying abroad can renew or replace a lost or damaged ID card. First, visit the national portal, bahrain.bh. Type Renew or Replace ID cards for citizens abroad into the search bar. Select Renew or Replace ID cards for citizens abroad from the results. Select ID card issuance and renewal services. Choose Renew or Replace ID cards for citizens abroad e-service. Log in with your eKey 2.0 account. Select the applicant type, whether you are the applicant, a first-degree relative, or someone with legal guardianship. Enter the required information and attach a personal photo that meets the required guidelines. You may apply for multiple individuals in one request. Select the delivery method, either in person at the IGA Isatown Customer Service Center or by international post, and provide the required information. Select the country, enter the required delivery details, and check the I do understand box. Review the request details. And check the declaration box to confirm. Complete the payment online using your preferred method. Review the receipt details. And you can choose to email or print it. You can view the status of your request through Edit and Request Status Inquiry e-service. For assistance, you can contact the Government Service Contact Center by calling 00973 7777 333 from outside the Kingdom of Bahrain or 80008001 from inside the Kingdom of Bahrain. You can also contact us through the Tawa Soul system or app or via the Virtual Customer Service Center.